Have you felt your desk is starting to feel cluttered with no space for your keyboard when you're not using it? I had the same issue, so I decided to fix it myself. Hey everyone, I'm Elly. Welcome back. So I made myself a monitor riser. Nothing fancy but super functional. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built it. It's simple and easy. You'd know if it's worth making one yourself. For this project, I went to Bunnings and got a shelf and some furniture legs. I started by measuring how high and wide I wanted my riser to be. I went with a simple design, black and just a board and a couple of support pieces for stability. You can use whatever materials you prefer, but wood is easy to work with and looks nice on any desk setup. The reason I chose the shelf is because it comes with a color, saves me the time for painting. Depending on what tools you are using, this takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Honestly, the hardest part is deciding the height and making sure everything is level, and measuring exactly where to attach the legs to the board. Here's how I did it. I left a 3 cm gap from the edge for the legs I wanted to attach. You can adjust the spacing to fit your setup, but whatever distance you choose, make sure all 4 legs are positioned the same way to keep the board level. I didn't use any screws to attach the legs as I repurposed some leftover nanoleaf smart lighting stickers, but you can use any strong 3M tape for a secure hold. The legs connecting panel has a large hole. I can only place the stickers on the 4 corners. As you can see, I'm cutting the stickers into triangle shapes. They don't have to be the exact same size, but they should not be larger than the corner surface of the leg. When all the stickers are in place, find the reference marks you made on the board and position the legs accordingly. Don't forget to leave them for at least 15 minutes to ensure the stickers adhere properly and stay secure. Here is the final result. It blends in well with my desk, and my keyboard and mouse can hide underneath. I love how clean it looks. Hope this video can inspire you if you don't want to buy a pre-made riser. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video. I'm Elly, and on my channel, I share my thoughts on games and tech. See you in the next one.